A vSphere administrator needs to configure the environment to send a notification to a monitored email address every time a vSphere alarm is triggered. Which procedure should the administrator use to accomplish the task? Option A. Use the vSphere web client to configure the vCenter server SMTP settings. Edit the alarm action to send a notification email. Option B. Use the vSphere web client to configure the vCenter server SNMP settings. Edit the alarm action to send a notification email. Option C. Use the vSphere web client to create a vCenter server scheduled task that will send a notification email when an alarm is triggered. Option D. Use the vSphere web client to create a vCenter orchestrator workflow that will send a notification email when an alarm is triggered. The correct answer is option A. The vSphere administrator needs to check the system health of an SE/X host using the vSphere web client. Which option in the Monitor tab should the administrator use for the selected host? Option A. Performance. Option B. Hardware reports. Option C. Storage status. Option D. Issue log. The correct answer is option A. Exhibit image. Exhibit. The vCenter Operations Manager dashboard is showing health issues associated with the selected virtual machine. There have been no availability or configuration issues with the virtual machine, and the workload badge is still green. How should an administrator resolve this issue? Option A. Select the anomalies badge to identify the cause of the abnormal behavior, then take appropriate action. Option B. Select the stress badge to identify the cause of the increased stress, then take appropriate action. Option C. Select the risk badge, identify the host at risk, and migrate the VM to a host with more resources. Option D. Select the risk badge to identify how much time is remaining before CPU resources are gone, then assign more resources. The correct answer is option A. Time remaining, capacity remaining, and stress are minor badges of which major badge in vCenter Operations Manager? Option A. Health. Option B. Risk. Option C. Efficiency. Option D. Workload. The correct answer is option B.